Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to do a car wash at home, but for that I purchased Greenworks 1800 psi power washer, which I'm going to show you how is the quality and how is the result. So this was on deal for $99. This is what you get. This is 1800 psi Greenworks. Pretty amazing. Come with two nozzles, two different settings. This is a pressure one, the other one is normal wash. So I'm going to show you how it works and how's the pressure on this. And I purchased it for $99 plus tax, of course, and I'll show you what's come with this as well. So for $99 you get this very nice floor cleaner with the power washer. I did not use it yet because I don't need it. So but let me show you what else. So this is a foam sprayer that's come with it. It's not that super amazing quality, but it done the job. And so yeah, that's about it. So the wire is pretty long. I think it's 25 feet wire that come with it. Is electronic. So I'm going to show you how I'm going to use this. I'm going to use this with the bucket since I live in an apartment, so I don't want to be running 50 feet water pipe and all the water is going to be waste in the pipe. So that's going to be very long pipe that I'm going to need, but I'm going to use the bucket. So let me show you how the setup is right now. So this is what I'm using. Bucket, and I attach the, if I show you, look at this. This is the garden hose that I attach with it right now. So I need to actually change this because it's a little bit narrow. Because of that, sometimes the pressure washer stop because the water, not enough water comes to the pressure washer. So sometimes the pressure gets reduced. Other than that, I think this is the easiest way that you can do. I just purchased this pipe and put this water hose to the bucket, and that's about it. So 1.5 bucket or 2 buckets is pretty much enough for the car wash. So without any further delay, let's show you how the car looks right now, and then I'll show you how, look at this, how dirty it is. It's been a couple of weeks. I did not get time. It was pretty hot outside, so today the weather is nice, so I decided to clean it up. It's cold, windy. Before that it was very hot, so now it's a good time to clean my car. Alright guys, so here is the bucket and then the pipe is attached. So if you put this little bit higher from the pressure washer, it works better, or put this one wider setup here, and then it will throw more water in it, so makes the job easier. So let's show you. It's quite narrow. I did not know, but after using it a couple times, now I know that this needs to be a wider, so it can throw more water to the pressure washer, and then it can work properly. So sometimes it loses the pressure, but sometimes it's worked perfectly fine. So here it is, all the way open, and I'm gonna turn this on and show you how it's gonna work. So let's see. Right now it's gonna take some time to develop a pressure. You have to do like a couple of times, stop and go. Here we go. Finally, it took forever to work. So the actual pressure is actually more than this one that's showing. It's because the water is coming less. I tested out at my uncle's house, and he has actual garden hose, and that shows more water in it. So this is the pressure. And this is not extra pressure, guys, this is actually less. This is the normal nozzle, not the turbo one. So I think I'm gonna wash the half car first because it's sunny outside, so I don't want the soap to get dry on the car. Alright, I guess now it's gonna keep working. It takes a little time to develop a pressure. So now I'm gonna throw a soap so you guys can see. Let me attach the soap bottle and see how that works. And hopefully it works without any issues. Actually I have to remove this one. So it's very simple to attach. Maybe I have to use the upside down, so that will work better. I used it before downside, but let's see how it works. So did you notice, guys, it works like stops and work, stops and work. This is because the less pressure is coming, but I'm gonna make another video to make sure I'll show you how it works properly if you have a proper garden hose. So now I'm gonna rub the car and see. So guys, one thing to mention that this is 1800 psi, so 1.1 GPM. So GPM means gallon per minute water is gonna use 1.1. So yeah, so half of the car is already washed, half of the left. There's gonna be a lot of water spot because it's sunny and it's quite hard for the car, so have to clean it. But one side left and the back side left only, so I'm gonna do that right now. Just fill up another bucket and that should be enough to clean the whole car. So guys, so this is what I use, if you are curious to know, for car wash. This is pretty nice especially on the black cars. Every time I wash the car, I feel like I did a polish on my car. So I'll show you in a bit. Let me clean the water spot and then I will show you the whole car how clean up. It's because it's very sunny, so immediately the water gets dry, and a little bit of soap that left on the car, that's also get dry pretty fast. So without any delay, I'm gonna dry the car and then I'll show you. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. Still I see a lot of water spot on the paint. I don't know if you can see in the camera. but overall the car is clean. But one thing to mention, that do not wash your car with soap direct in the sunlight, because the soap is immediately get dry on the car. So now I see a lot of soap dry on the car, even though I put a lot of pressure washing washer and a lot of water on it, and still they don't go away. So I get to use the new polishing pad that I bought. So I'm gonna polish the car in the next car wash, and I'll show you how it worked. So this is just a car wash and nothing else, simple car wash. And what do you think about the green power washer? I think for the money it's pretty good. Look at the car. I think I washed it after I think two and a half week, or could be more. So it was very dirty. I have to put tire polisher as well, but it's in the house, so I'm gonna do it in another car wash. So hopefully you enjoy the video. So this is a power washer. If you want to get it, I would definitely recommend it. It works amazing, but not with the bucket. If you have proper setup like at home, that will work perfectly fine. It has plenty of pressure to wash your car or do normal driveway cleaning and stuff. So stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.